Unhealthy mother-son relationships can manifest in various ways, often leading to emotional turmoil for both parties involved. Understanding these dynamics is crucial to fostering healthier connections. One prevalent type is the smothering relationship, where a mother excessively controls her son's life decisions. This often results in the son feeling suffocated, as his independence is stifled by overbearing affection and constant intervention. Another concerning type is the enmeshed relationship, where personal boundaries are blurred. In this scenario, the mother relies overly on her son for emotional support, treating him more as a partner than a child. This role reversal can cause significant stress for the son, who may struggle with tasks typical for his age while carrying the weight of emotional baggage. The narcissistic mother-son relationship is another variation, characterized by the mother's attempt to meet her own emotional needs through her son. She often projects her unfulfilled dreams and aspirations onto him, leading the son to feel immense pressure to achieve. This dynamic can suffocate the son's identity, forcing him to live under the shadow of unrealistic expectations. In an overcritical relationship, the mother constantly nitpicks her son's choices, causing him to feel inadequate and insecure. The son may internalize these critical remarks, leading to a lack of self-esteem as he feels he cannot ever meet his mother's standards. The result is a toxic environment where the son feels more like a failure than a valued individual. The neglectful mother-son relationship represents a harsh contrast, where emotional and physical absence creates a void. Here, the son longs for validation and affection but finds only indifference. This detachment can lead to emotional scars that impact future relationships and reinforce feelings of unworthiness. Next is the codependent relationship, where both mother and son rely on each other in an unhealthy manner. This reciprocal dependency creates a cycle of dysfunction, preventing either from developing independent coping skills. The son may find himself unable to make decisions or establish boundaries, leaving his emotional well-being at risk. Finally, the superficial relationship features a lack of depth in communication and connection. Here, interactions are limited to surface-level conversations, failing to address the emotional needs of both mother and son. This superficiality can lead to feelings of loneliness, as neither party feels understood or connected. Recognizing and addressing these unhealthy dynamics is crucial for fostering resilience and emotional well-being in mother-son relationships.